Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is February 21st, 2025, and we're diving into Akamai's latest earnings report for the fourth quarter and full year of 2024. Joining us is John, a senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Akamai, a leader in cybersecurity and cloud computing, has just released its financial results, and there's a lot to unpack. Let's get started.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Akamai reported a net revenue of $1.020 billion for the fourth quarter, which is a 3% increase year over year. John, can you shed some light on the key drivers behind this growth?
Absolutely. The growth was primarily driven by their security and compute segments. Security revenue grew by 16% year over year, reflecting strong demand for cybersecurity solutions. Meanwhile, compute revenue saw an impressive 25% increase, highlighting Akamai's expanding footprint in cloud computing.
EPS performance and analyst expectations. Now, turning to earnings per share, Akamai reported an adjusted EPS of $1.60 for the quarter. This is notably higher than the forecasted EPS of $1.01 from a survey of 7 analysts. John, what does this tell us about Akamai's performance?
This significant beat on EPS indicates robust operational efficiency and cost management. Despite a challenging macroeconomic environment, Akamai has managed to exceed expectations, showcasing their ability to deliver strong profitability.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. John, let's discuss operational efficiencies. Akamai's GAAP operating margin for the quarter was 15%, while the non-GAAP operating margin stood at 29%. How is the company managing its operations?
Akamai is focusing on sustainable profitability, as highlighted by CEO Dr. Leighton. The company is optimizing its cost structure and investing in high-growth areas like security and cloud computing. Their guidance for 2025, with revenue expected between $4 billion and $4.2 billion, reflects confidence in their strategic direction.
Share repurchase and cash flow. Let's talk about Akamai's capital allocation. The company repurchased $138 million worth of shares in Q4. How does this align with their cash flow and overall financial strategy?
Akamai's strong cash flow from operations, which was $344 million in Q4, supports their share repurchase program. With a solid cash position of $1.872 billion, they are well-positioned to return value to shareholders while continuing to invest in growth opportunities. Their capital expenditure, at 19% of revenue, indicates ongoing investment in infrastructure and technology.
Key takeaways. In summary, Akamai has delivered a strong performance in Q4 2024, with impressive growth in its security and compute segments and a significant beat on EPS expectations. As we look ahead, the company's focus on sustainable profitability and strategic investments positions it well for future growth. Thank you for joining us, John.
Thank you. It's been a pleasure discussing Akamai's results. The company's strategic initiatives and financial discipline are certainly worth watching.
Thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Akamai's performance in the comments below. Until next time.